Hey, I'm the master debater. Prove me wrong. Backed by facts in the comments. Obesity and behavior are not related. Also, the top 25 restaurants are fast food animals. You can love animals and eat them. Look up a factory farm video. Charlie was so big on free speech, he debated teenagers, lied, edited the videos to make himself look good and them look bad, and repeated silly lines. Ugly Ugg sheepskins are for cruel cavemen like fur trim coat hoods. My religion that I was raised is right and all the others are wrong. Sino is Christian in name only know-it-alls. Libertarian really for small government. Trump was right about everything. Nobody is. Next, Noah's Ark was a waste. In just 50 years, human animals doubled and killed off 69% of wildlife. Bad religions. Nobody could fit two of every species on a boat. Rape is rape, slavery is slavery, terrorism is terrorism, regardless of species. Prove me wrong and change my mind. Perverted creeps, forced breeding or raping, stealing babies, and breastfeeding from animals. Not your mom, not your milk, utter suckler. Rather than worrying about women's bodies, LGBT, and pronouns, maybe you should learn who your mom is, confused utter suckler. Prove me wrong. Free birth control saves. Pause to read. Free birth control saves embryos, taxes, and wildlife. Pro-force birthers cause more abortions, cost more taxes, and destroy more wildlife. Frauds. Can you oppose abortions and oppose free birth control that saves the embryos? No, fake lifers. Government so small it can fit in the vag. Use my taxes, save 42% of embryos, save Medicaid, WIC, and welfare, and save wildlife, as humans have doubled and killed off 69%, all in just 50 years. Pro-life, or control. Conservatives gave women suffrage, freed the slaves, gave workers' rights and animals' rights to be left alone. Yeah, right? Conservative Confederates. Pro-life, but eat real, sentient baby animals daily that suffer birth to death in factory farms. As a libertarian, why should child-free and vegans pay tons for your meat and kids subsidies in many forms? Require birth control shots if collecting others' money. Eating animals? Make dog meat legal. Yes, after they die naturally. Why waste the free fur and flesh, animal eaters? Dogs are not better than any other species. Prove me wrong. Human animals are the worst species, not the best species, based on all of our destructive actions. Prove me wrong. Those who care about climate change and the environment shouldn't eat animals or have more than one kid. Also, cities and public transit over suburban sprawl and personal cars saves.